Hello dear friends, my name is Elia. Our topic for today is our solar system. There are many things to see in the sky at daytime, but you see different things at night. Bye.
We can see sun, birds at daytime. Sun is a star and it gives off heat and light.
We can see stars and the moon in the sky at night. Stars, they are objects in the sky at night. Our planet has one moon, which is the brightest object in the sky at night. Bye bye. I love you.
Hello guys, how are you? My name is Metin. And we have eight planets revolving around the sun. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Ranu and I'm in grade 2C and I'm going to talk about Mercury and Venus. First, Mercury is the first planet and is the smallest planet in our solar system. And Venus is the second planet and is the hottest and brightest planet.
Earth is the third planet and we live on it. Also, it's called the blue planet. Mars is the fourth planet and it's known for a red planet. Bye.
Hello guys, my name is Bilal and I'm grade 2. Today we're gonna talk about the solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet. Saturn is the second largest planet with a beautiful ring around it that is made of ice and dust.